Hello, I welcome you all once again to Castle Life Academy. Please do subscribe to our channel, like our video, drop comments. Do you think there is any way we can improve? Drop it in the comment section. Thank you. So today we are looking at this problem, which says that we should solve the simultaneous equation 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 5. 1 over y minus 1 over x equals to 1. That we should solve this simultaneous equation. So I believe we know about simultaneous equation. We can solve it using substitution method. We can solve it using elimination method. We can solve it using graphical method. But today, I'll be looking at elimination method. We'll be solving this using elimination method. So we start. So I have 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 5. I can call it equation 1. So I have 1 over y minus 1 over x. I can call it equals to 1, equation 2. So what do we do next? So you see that they are being interchanged. So let me rearrange the equation. So our equation 1 is 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 5. Our equation 2, so I will rearrange it such a way that 1 over x will go to 1 over x, 1 over y will go to 1 over y. But remember, 1 over x is negative, so here becomes minus 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to what? 1. We eliminate by doing what? Minus, add a minus, add a minus. So 1 over y minus 1 over y is 0. So this one will go out. So 1 over x minus 1 over s, which is 1 over s. Minus minus will give us plus. So we now have 1 over s plus 1 over s. So if we do that, 1 over s plus 1 over s. So the LCM is what? X. So x here 1 times 1, s here 1 times 1, which is 2 over x. So if we are to solve this problem, here becomes 2 over x. So 5 minus 1 becomes 4. So we now have that 2 over x equals to 4 over 1. So when we cross multiply, we now have 4x is equal to 2. So we divide both sides with coefficient of x. So we divide there with 4, divide there with 4. 4 we cancel out 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So therefore x is what? 1 over 2. X is 1 over 2. Okay? So let's look for y. So we've gotten our x as 1 over 2. So we can say substitute x equals to 1 over 2 in equation 1. So let's substitute x equals to 1 over 2 in equation 1. So we now go 1 over, so instead of writing x, it becomes 1 over 2. But we know that this thing is inverse of x. So when there is another 1 over, it simply means 2. Because it's just like saying 1 over 1 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1 over y equals to 5. So when we have this, which is 1 over 1 times 2 over 1. So when the division sign changes to multiplication sign, the denominator becomes the numerator. The numerator becomes the denominator. So that we now have 1 over y equals to 5. So which is 2 plus 1 over y equal to 5. 1 over y becomes 2, we collect like terms, 2 will go to 5, which is 5 minus 2. 1 over y equals to 3. So over 1. So we cross multiply. So we now have 3y is equals to 1. So that we divide both sides with coefficient of y. So y is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, x is 1 over 2, y is 1 over 3. So, thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. I do look up to your comments. If there is any way we need to improve, please drop it in the comment section. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for your time. Remember to like our video, say good things about us, share our video, tell your friends about us. God bless.